Hey folks, just wanted to do a quick video on how to create a little video intro for your instructional videos. And this could be used for other things too. This could be used for, this could actually be used for an interesting way to present stuff, animated things with music. I'm at a website called Canva. You can go there and create a free account. And of course, the free account is limited. They want you to upgrade to get more stuff. But I'm going to try to show you how I was able to make my little video. Let's take a quick look at it. Let's see if I can play it for you. Here is what my little guide that I just made looks and sounds like. So I thought that was kind of cool, and it really didn't take me very long. And I can show you how to do it pretty quickly too. So what we're going to do is we're going to go create a design, and then it asks you to search, and I searched for YouTube intro. And apparently they have a category for that. I'm sure there's other categories that would work. That's just what I searched for. And then they gave me all these templates. And I ended up selecting this template down here. You can select any template that you'd like, but that's the one I chose. And then I recognized that I could go in and edit some of this stuff. So I went and changed the principles of animation to wine gardens, world of statistics, and then I changed this guy, just double clicked and selected all the text, and then said be a critical consumer of data. That is my goal for students in my class. So there we go. Nice. Okay, so now it's pretty personalized, and if I didn't do anything else, I've got a little intro, and it doesn't do much. It's just got this little background animation. So let's make it a little more interesting. There's an animate option here, so I'll go ahead and click animate. Unfortunately, for the free version, you can't use any of these bottom five, but you can use these top six, and I kind of like the tumble one, so I'm choosing tumble, and then if I go and preview my video, it looks a little more interesting. Still, there's no sound, and there's not a whole lot of personal graphics in there. So the next thing I did is I went into their elements, and I borrowed some. They have some elements that I can use for a statistics class. Let's see here. Here is one that's like a pie chart, so that'll be good. So I just throw that in there. That's quick and easy. And let's see here. I want to see more. I thought there was a few more. Oh, these are recently used. Oh, here we go. Charts. So then I'll go ahead and throw in maybe a chart that looks like this. And they even let you modify the chart. You can change the size. And you can also change what the chart looks like. You can actually put data in. And so I went and added a couple more bars to my chart. I'm a statistics teacher, so you do your own thing with your own stuff. Okay, so there we go. Oops, I did not want that last item. Let's see if I can get rid of that. Sorry, guys. And I don't want that either. Okay, so anyway, sorry. So back to my chart. So I'll just leave that in there, and I'll position it where I want, and now the thing's looking good. The other thing is I have a Bitmoji that I made, and you go to uploads, and here you can upload images. So you click on upload, and then you can select files that are downloaded to your computer. So here's my Bitmoji. I'm just going to drag it out. Now you'll notice when you initially drag it out, it wants to fill the whole frame. So I keep dragging it until I can see it as a smaller size, and then I can actually resize it and make it fit within the bounds of my little animation. Okay, then the other thing is I wanted to have some cool stuff like cards and dice in there. And so I went and Googled, and when I did, I searched for, let me show you what I searched for. I searched for playing cards, but more importantly, I wanted it to look really good. So I wanted it to have transparent background. That way the playing cards look like they're part of my animation. So I went and clicked on one of the first ones that I saw, and here is this guy right here has, if I click on this guy and go to their site, I get a ping graphic that has transparent background. I had to go down and find the darn thing. And let's see here. It was this one that I liked, and then I just clicked download, and then I got the file. So I did this for the cards, and then I did the same thing for dice. And then I uploaded the cards and the dice that I downloaded. So oh, let me go ahead and get rid of this. Let me get rid of that graph because I thought the cards were cooler. So I'm going to go ahead and pop them right over there. And then some dice. There we go. Oops, dang it, I dragged that incorrectly, so I will hit undo. And we'll drag the dice out there again until they're nice and small, and then resize. And then put them where they belong. Great. So now I have a pretty cool animation going, and if I play it for you, pretty nice. Not bad, eh? It didn't take too long. Last thing we'll do is we'll add some music. And over here, we can see there's a music option. And one of the things you'll want to do if you're using the free account is click on the sliders up here and choose availability free. Now you might also want to select vocals or instrumentals. I only want instrumentals, so I'll apply that filter. Ooh, uh-oh, wow, that really, it says see all. There. No, that limited me too much. So I'm going to go ahead and forget about that. I'm going to clear all, just do free, and then apply filters. And I don't want recently. Oh, that was maybe the problem. Let's see. There we go. So now I can see all these different things, and all of these guys are free. So I guess, let's see. Maybe can I still go back and say instruments? Let's try that again. And no, for some reason, the instrument one will not work. So we just got to go free, apply filter. And then make sure that you're not searching for anything up here. And then you can see all these different things. And I ended up finding, let's see here, there was like a rock one that I liked. Maybe it was under pop, I can't remember. Let's see here, maybe see all under pop. And nope, I don't think that was it. Anyways, I'll let you guys look around and find your own. Let's try playing a few samples. You know, I have to say I kind of like that one. I think I'm going to throw that in here so you can see how it works. So I just drag it on over. And then I guess if you're really fancy, I guess you can select which part of the song you want to have in there. I'm just taking those first few seconds. I'll be fine with that. And let's go ahead and see how that works. I'm going to go ahead and play everything together now. And voila, you have invested 8 minutes of your life, and hopefully you have found that it might not be too difficult for you to create your own little Canva video intro. Hope you liked it.